Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I recovered some chairs in my rental property for my daughter. So I picked up this fabric at the thrift store for $3.99. So yeah, so I recovered the chairs for $4. So stay tuned. So these are the chairs. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how they look in the beginning, and then I'll do a tutorial on how I recovered the chairs. And I like the way it turned out. So the items you're going to need, of course, is some type of fabric, a screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, scissors, and a staple gun, or either a drill, electric screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you the before. These are the chairs. We tried to clean them, but no success. So the first thing I did is flipped it over, and I'm going to take these seats off of the chair. So I just use the screwdriver to loosen the screws, or either I can use my electric drill. And then once I have the seat removed, I cut out the fabric. You want to have enough overhang so you can cover the entire seat. And so I start with the corners. I pull it tight. And this is how I did the corners. It's kind of hard because I'm trying to hold the camera and pull the fabric. So this is the result on the back side. So I use my staple gun, and the best way I found is for you to do the corners diagonal across from each other. Pull it tight as you can. Yeah, that way you'll get a snug fit if you do it diagonal first. Then I did the other side. See how smooth that is? And so now I'll finish the entire seat. Just pull it tight. Try not to have any creases in it. Just pull it tight and use your staple gun. I do my staples close to the edge, so it'll be very tight, because I'm going to cut off that excess material. So this is just a simple way to save money, to get a new look. We tried cleaning the seats, but no success with that. So I went around with the scissors and cut off the excess fabric. You can leave it on if you like, but you know, I just try to make it look a little better. And then this is the result. Looks good, don't it? Yep. And so I screwed the seats back in, and we have some covered seats. Yay! Nice and simple for $4. And the fabric was brand new from the thrift store. And so this is her dining area. So I just like to come in and show you different ways to save money. Have a nice day.